Hey, what's up, folks? Hey, what's up, folks? Welcome. Hey, what's up, explainers? Hey, what's up, explainers? Hey, alrighty. Hacksplained, the year in review 2020. Alright, so in the beginning of the year, we started with having a look at Burp Suite. Portswigger's Burp Suite is just the best software for bug bounty hunting and penetration testing. And we had a look together at the repeater functionality, which is a really great tool to get started hacking. We also checked out Burp Suite's Intruder, which is pretty cool for fuzzing various amount of web app applications. Next up, we set up a lab. We had a look at how to set up a shoe shop using a service like Heroku to have an easily accessible instance to hack and get better. We also checked out how to install a Kali Linux virtual machine, which is just always super handy for hacking. And next up, we got a little fancy, a little artsy, and did art with JavaScript, which is not quite hacking, but it definitely helps you to cool down, calm down, refocus, do something different, and also that helps you to get a better coder. That was cool. Next up, we had a look at a shoe shop. I mean, this is the majority of the Hacksplained videos in 2020, and we smashed a lot of boxes together. We had those green banners everywhere. We smashed one, and another one, and another one. There was so many challenges, and we got them all together. And you guys, you just kept following and cracked them all as well. That was pretty cool. So many nice XSS challenges and a couple of others that we all managed to crack and smash together. Next up, I showed you something different. I took you into nature together with me and a couple of friends of mine. I showed you my life outside of web app hacking, outside of bug bounties. I took you into the mountains. I took you to a couple of really nice lakes. I even took you with me into different countries, going to Italy, going to France, going to Germany. We had a look at the Eiffel Tower together. We just went traveling a little bit. And after we recharged our batteries, we went back hacking and actually met at the first live hacking event in Germany together with the infamous Käferjäger group. We met up in Mannheim and hacked a couple of different web apps. That was really good fun. And then I took all that knowledge and provided a really nice set of bug bounty tips for you. We had a look at a various different amount of topics, and I really hope that you like them. Just make sure to check them out all over again if you haven't seen them yet, and put down some comments in the description section below and let me know what you thought about them. And after all that, we concluded with a very nice Merry Christmas video, which leads up to today in this review. I want to thank you once again for watching all my videos, for being together with me, and I want to say, Happy New Year. Have a really good year 2021. May it be a better one than this year, and I'm pretty sure you will find a lot of really juicy bugs and get all those bounties. Alright, with that, see you next year.